Imagine a keyboard so thin it looks like it belongs on a tablet, yet it packs the punch of a high-end mechanical powerhouse. The Cherry KW X ULP tries to bridge that gap between sleek aesthetics and raw performance, but can it actually replace your bulky desktop setup? At first glance, this device is a bit of a contradiction. It is incredibly slim, sitting at just over half an inch tall, yet it houses genuine mechanical switches. These are not just any switches either. They are the German-engineered MX Ultra low-profile switches, which provide that satisfying, crisp tactile feedback without the massive travel distance of a traditional board. It feels like typing on a premium laptop, but with a much more deliberate and high-quality response. The build quality is exactly what you would expect from a brand like Cherry. It feels solid and premium, finished in a clean white that looks stunning on a modern desk. Even though it is marketed with a compact feel, it manages to fit a full-size layout, giving you that dedicated number pad that many professionals still rely on. Connectivity is where this thing really shines for a multitasker. You can jump between wired and wireless modes effortlessly, making it a breeze to switch from a main PC to a laptop or even a tablet. The single-color backlighting is subtle and elegant, avoiding that over-the-top gamer look while still being perfectly functional in low light. There is something genuinely satisfying about how this keyboard balances form and function. It does not scream for attention with flashing lights, but the moment your fingers hit the keys, you realize this is a serious piece of hardware. It is the kind of tool that makes you want to type more, whether you are coding, writing, or just clearing out an inbox. While it might be a bit of an adjustment for those used to deep-dish mechanical keys, the precision here is undeniable. It is a masterclass in engineering that proves you do not need a thick, heavy chassis to get a world-class typing experience. For anyone who values a clean aesthetic but refuses to compromise on the feel of their hardware, this is a game changer. It is sleek, powerful, and incredibly reliable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.